In this video, we'll open up the PSD template in Photoshop on an iPad and go through some of the panels, like the layers and the brushes. Before we go to the iPad to sketch on the template, we need to close the document in Photoshop on the computer. Click on the X to close the document. You'll see that it's updating on the top left up here in Your Files. Your Files is the navigation right here. Now let's go to the iPad. Open up Photoshop on your iPad. In the left navigation, click on Your Files. The top left file should be the newest file you created. Click on it to select it to open it up. You can use your fingers to move the document. You can make it smaller, you can make it bigger. On the right side, two icons down, is your layers. There's a plus sign inside of a square. If we click on that and then click on New Layer, it's going to make a new layer at the top of the Layers panel. Double click where it says Layer 1 and we can rename it Sketches and then press the Rename button. Click on that layer icon again to hide the layers. On the left side, the fourth icon down is the brushes. If you hold the icon down, you can choose from multiple brushes. I like the rough inker. On the bottom of the Tools panel, there's a number. If you hold the number down, you can write in what number you want your brush size to be. 15 is a good size for me. If I zoom in and start drawing, that's a good size. The Apple Pencil has sensitivity to it, so the lighter you draw with it, the lighter the line is going to be. And if you press down on the pencil, the line will get thicker. So it's like you're brushing with an ink brush. If you want to go back in time and remove those brush strokes, on the top right, there is an arrow pointing to the left and an arrow pointing to the right. Click on the arrow pointing to the left to go back in time. In the next video, I'm going to sketch over the photos.